So hi everyone, I Prabjot Singh, student of Srimati Kaushal, welcome you on your channel True Respect. So in this video we will discuss about linked list or see how to implement it. So now let's get started. You all know what is linked list and what are the benefits of array of linked list. Everyone knows it, but very few people knows how to implement it. So now see how to implement it. We will first create a class node. It contains two things. One is your data part and second is your pointer to next node, which is node type. So now for next we will create a constructor. We will pass our value, which is the data value of our linked list. So now first we will assign data is equal to value that we give as output, and second here next we will define it null. That's all about, and we will create a linked list. Now see, next we will create a function to insert an element in a linked list. So we will give void insert at tail, and we will pass our at and value which we want to insert. So now first we will create a node equal to using constructor new node var, and next we will check if our linked list is empty, मतलब hat double equal to null. Then simply we return hat is equal to new node n, and we will simply return. And now if our linked list is not empty, or then we will simply traverse it while 10 the next not equal to null. We will simply give the value temp is equal to temp the next, or simply we will give the value as temp the next is equal to var, which the value which we want to insert our earning. And one thing is more, we will never create a pointer of temp variable. So now create it. Node star temp is equal to hat unequal. So this is our function void insert at tail. So now there is one more thing that we have to create, that is our display function, which is used to display our linked list. So simply we display and we pass head as an argument, because head is necessary to traverse our linked list. So now we will pass here head, and simply we will traverse. We will first create a pointer, which is starting node. Then we will define a loop while temp not equals to null, and in this we will define cout temp the data, temp's data, and simply will define, we will give the space, or one more thing we will give it semicolon. Then we will increment our temp pointer, or temp is equal to temp the next. So we will create it. Now see, is it work or not in main. First we will create our linked list, or we will define then use function insert at tail h comma 1, insert at tail h comma 2, then again insert at tail h comma 3. Now we will display our linked list and simply return 0 semicolon. So now let's see, is it work or not. Oh, there is some error. Now see, where is our error? So never use dot h in our file. So now check it. First we will save it, ll.cp. Done. So there is some, let me run it. So you can see our program is run without any error. So this is the whole program. In the next video we will see how to delete an element and how to insert element in the in between, and there are so many operations that we see in the next video. So please like the video and tell that take care, bye bye, thank you and have a nice day.